Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another day, another beautiful Monday. We love Mondays. Why? Because Mondays allow us to trade. They give us a life full of opportunity, a life full of prosperity, and possibly some dollar signs. All right, baby. So we're back. Let's take up the Robinhood real quick. Let's load it up. Currently, our Robinhood is fluctuating. These are positions that we had open. I may have YOLO doloed on those marked positions. It's Friday at close. I couldn't help myself, but I saw the opportunity. So, what did we do with Mark here? We got in a cost average around 2.23. We spent about $100. Nothing too crazy. We had about 1,000 in buying power, and we said, "Hey, let's do it," right? So we took that around $100 in buying power, leaving 1,000 full in buying power. Getting some shares, pretty much got us around 41 shares. As you can see here, it's about 30% of the portfolio, if not a little bit more. Currently up around 200%. We did see Mark pre-market actually moving up to 9.9. So trying to see what we can do here. I kind of want to take the profit at open and just be happy with what we got. But we will be looking for a break below the $6 mark. This might flush depending on the momentum of the stock. There are people who probably got in around the 88 cents or below. So right now, if they did, that's about 1,000x or 1,000%, not 1,000x, 1,000% return. Sorry. So I'm sure there's some people who are going to be looking to make a move off of this. Now, the funny thing actually about this is that the 5-year historical high is about $15. Currently, we're trading at this purple line around that $10 mark, between $7 and $10. So if we do get a move above $10, we could technically see $15 and possibly move into that 24.28 if momentum allows us to. We are seeing that the buying volume was significantly higher compared to previous trends. Let's blow it up on the big screen. All right. So like I said, we are seeing here that the weekly buying was a lot higher. We had about 204 million roughly in buy volume for that week. Historical high actually was about, at highest, 450 million approximately, if not more. So we can see, if we get another big candle like this, we probably could see another leg up or another push up. So we'll be watching that very closely. Next thing to note, we're looking at Snapchat. So like I said, talked about this live on the YouTube stream. We did mention the fact that, and I did say it on Friday, I would not be surprised the reason we got into these Snap calls over here. Snap 70 calls for this week. It was a little bit of a YOLO dolo. The premiums died from about $7 at the high. This was prior to the earnings drop here that you're seeing, so that's what that is. We got in later. We got these around 20 cents. A contract, got about 5, spent no more than $100 as it was a risky investment with a week time expiration. But what we're looking here is to try to kind of quick flip these. Currently, I did say last week on Friday that I wouldn't be surprised if Cathie Woods came in and what do you see? Here we are. Cathie Woods ARK Invest post fund purchase for Friday, October 22nd. Twitter, Roku, Beam, NTLA, VLD, Snap, baby, Skills. Another ticker that I definitely want to look at into the long term there. But here we are, Snap shares. She bought 230,000 odd shares. And here we are, baby, in pre-market, getting that rotation in use. We are getting another firms here, Rosenblatt analysts, maintaining the Snap with a buy and lowering the price target from 100 to 85. So still bullish sentiment overall on Snapchat. Why did they drop? Well, had to do with their advertisement numbers. So, a lot of companies aren't going to be spending a lot of money in advertising right now, especially with the whole pandemic still kind of trucking along. Just doesn't make sense. So we'll be looking at those. The other ticker that we're in is ATVI here. So let's get back on the Robinhood. ATVI, we are holding and longing 100 calls, 11.19 expiration. Got these bad boys around 11 cents, currently up 27%. Not too shabby. Had these run up actually multiple times to 17. So we had that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we should be able to see that happen. Historical pricing on these contracts. In a month, these contracts are still down about 33%. The contracts themselves, not our position. So we should be able to see a push into that 22 cent range for a 100% move, if not more. So definitely watching this. Chart on ATVI is right over here. Getting some pre-market stimulation. Looks like we're up about 20 odd cents, actually even more. The ask is about 50 cents higher, so we'll see how that opens up, how that reacts with the market being at all-time highs. However, if you could see here, you could see we have a lot of different technical indicators pointing to upside here as they run into earnings, right? So here's the weekly candles here. We're looking for a move into 82.85 with a power trigger through 90. So this is all free game here that we're looking at, trying to get the pre-earnings run up. We did catch a little bit of it already, so hopefully this kind of explodes to the upside. We get the 82 plus push today or this week. And lastly, baby, we have Facebook earnings today. Not really playing this. We do already have a YOLO Dolo from the previous Facebook 400 calls after we ran these up 156%. So we bought these around 31 cents. Let's run up the week chart. We did have a peak of around 80 something, 86 cents. So yeah, so definitely did really, really well there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the chat. Hi, chat. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Open up the chat and join. Let's talk. Let's get over. Let's communicate. So yeah, so we're looking at the Facebook earnings here. We left one free one. It's still up 45%. Even though it's $14 on the small port, considering taking the profit, like I said, they do have earnings today. We saw the move on social media with Snapchat, so we should see how this plays out. I personally have a feeling that Facebook is going to actually produce really good numbers for this quarter and for this, for this quarter essentially, and we might get that pop that we like to see in earnings. So we will see what happens. Overall, Facebook has been kind of lagging into earnings, and usually at times we do see that when Facebook lags into earnings, we do get that earnings pop either the week before or the day of earnings. So we can see what happens here. Facebook is kind of suppressed a little bit from its higher price points here. So we'll see how that plays out. So let's see what else we got going on. So yeah, so what we're watching today, Mark, Snap, ATVI getting that pre-market stim, like I said. On the watch list, baby, here we are. A couple other tickers we're looking at. Roblox, they had shares trading higher about 5% last Friday. This had to do with Google lowering their Google Play subscriptions from 15% from a 30% cut. So a lot of subscription apps on the Google App Store should be boosted a little bit here. Baidu, some of the Chinese stocks are starting to heat up a little bit, which we'd like to see. This could easily, pop into the 200s. We'll go over some of these charts intraday, by the way. AMD is a hot stock alert for me. It's at an all-time high. It could technically tap that 122 and break above it and get higher all-time highs. Disney's kind of sitting on support. Target long-term bullish. AMAT still bullish on the 140 retest. That's a candlestick pattern that I like. Which is the shooting star. So it actually had a huge push up to 140. Bears kind of pushed it back down and suppressed it. Definitely look at that. And Dollar Tree, we have the strong recovery after earnings report. Looks like a continuation play with a possible gap fill completion to 105. Maybe get a potential momentum move to 110, 115. Monthly contracts look decent, so we're looking at the 1119s, 110 calls, have good historical options pricing, and that's what we want to be in, baby. So we got about 20 seconds till the market opens. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to hop on mute. I'm going to let you guys get ready to have a wonderful day, baby. Let's go. And there's the market, baby. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we got. So let's see what we have here. Well, the ATVI is opened up at about 200%. So we'll see. Gonna let this kind of settle. Yeah. ATVI popping a little bit. The Facebook's kind of got clapped, but ATVI, yeah, so these popped at 34 cents in the morning, first thing, but guess they settled. Still 72%, not bad. So we'll see how that plays out. I wanted to get out of Mark and take my profit kind of run here. The Mark play is already up about 100 and something percent. So let's see, let's sell all of it. Well, it's actually up 150 something percent. So I think what would be wise here is to sell about 22 shares, make the play free, take some profit, let the rest kind of run out here. And there we are, we're out. So we got about 20 shares left once this kind of refreshes here. There you go. So about 20 shares, still up. Still going to ride the momentum on this one. And just kind of watch out what happens there. ATVI getting some stimulation pre-market. Those Snapchats not getting too much movement. Those are down. So we did have a pop where the accounting this morning was up 2,000, but that's okay. We'll take our time here. So yeah, and the other thing with this mark, you know, it was a upwork. It's getting some good traction here. ATVI is kind of bubbling around here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Snapchat coming down a little bit. There's that mark. So let's not be too greedy. I'm going to get out of the mark. It's about 126%, so we're just going to sell all of it. And we are completely out of mark, I believe. Yes, sir. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. No. Alright, whatever. We made the play free, so we'll keep the shares and let them ride. Where did the ATVIs open? I saw them pop like 34 cents this morning. Ooh, Snap is getting killed. It's alright. We win light on this one. Also, market's coming down, so what can you expect? Nothing too crazy. Good morning, good morning. ATVI is kind of standstill here. Give it time to get some movement here, get some volume. It has literally no volume right now. So pre-market we were up $1,800 just because of mark, but as you can tell, let me put everything on the 1 minute maybe. Trying to see what's going on here. Ow. In other events, Tesla went kind of crazy. So let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Tesla 963 right off the open, knew that was going to happen. Didn't want to play it because the contracts were already going to be really explosive. Yeah, running it up right now. Tesla got a crazy upgrade in price target from Morgan Stanley. I think it was to like 1,200 or 1,600 or something like that. And then Hertz ordered 100,000 Teslas. So that's just running up. I didn't play it. One of my buddies got into it. Very happy for him. And he's killing it, so. Tesla might actually crush through 100 today. Not 100, 1,000 is what I mean. Sorry. Tesla's already 970 pre-market, or not pre-market, during market. I think that might be the top, and I'm probably wrong, but we'll see what happens there. Let's see how strong the momentum is. That is a strong freaking candle. Yep, he took the 10 bagger, so he's currently at about $900 profit today. ATVI starting to get some flow movement. Contract's not really reciprocating though. So we'll see. So 970.84 top on Tesla for the day. No snap calls are down 50%. Oh no 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 no. I'm gonna get out of the Tesla. I wanted to short Tesla, but with everything happening, all the bullish sentiment, nah. I still think Tesla comes back into this 850, like 890 range. You know, people are gonna have to take profit on it eventually. Wow. Yeah, ATVI, oh my god, I was up 3K at open. Alright, let's get the fuck. Whoop! Let that one slip. Let's get the beats going. ATVI, we're getting above 80, so might be a slow mover, but I definitely think we're gonna get some premium pop on this soon. I mean, we saw that pre-warning pop to 34 cents, so someone's selling them. Someone wants it there. We still, and we have so much time. But we like things happening quicker, baby. It's just the Kenny way. It's the Coin Club way. That's all good though. Alright, let's get some beats on the. Let's get some music up in here. Yeah, so, okay, so Mark's coming back up above $4 and change, so above $5. So hopefully we get that kind of pushed back to the upside here, retest that 10. Still holding about 20 shares after making it free at around 150%. Let's get into it. SPY coming down on the 1 minute. Watch it right here. Snap coming down. I still feel like we're sitting on a bag, but we will see. Remember that 52.450 level is pretty much our dip out of here, and contracts are getting rocked. But hey, we spent $100 of profited cash. We were allowed to take a risky trade this time around. We also have some other setups here, so it's not too terrible, not too bad. This kind of reminds, so I'm pretty much coming down with the market, so just watch that. Do. check the news. What we got going on? U.S. President Biden says beating on Democrats' agenda have gone well. Okay. Moderna announced top-line data from phase 2-3 study of COVID-19 vaccine in children. Moderna is another one that probably can get a nice pop off that news. Sometimes Moderna has actually good news and sells you up. See, ends up going red. Watch Moderna. Moderna can get a nice pop if it gets a little bit more publicity here. Tesla. Ooh, Tesla with a gravestone right there that holds. The next candle opens up down in red. RIP. Let's take this music down a little bit. It's like full tilt. Damn, son. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Kawani Simo. I don't even know if I said that right, but hey, you're beautiful. Stay lovely. Oh, come on, remark. Alright, market looks like it's getting a little bit of a morning bounce here. Could day trade the spike calls, but I'm not feeling it, man. ATVI, baby. Whatever we lose in Snap, baby, I'm making it up in ATVI. I promise you. I promise you.
All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain.
Alright, come on, Snap. Don't fail us now, baby. ATVI is looking good, though. Alright, so I guess my mark position sold. Completely out. I thought I canceled my order, but alright, Robinhood. That's cool. Whatever. I guess I'm out of that. Good morning, baby. What's going on, Max Trades? Welcome. DPC Dad, welcome. Alright, well, since we're out of mark, let's get into our watch list now. So some of the plays we were looking at were Roblox. Roblox looks like it's setting up nicely here. Possible, so it opened down, pushed up. Let's check out Baidu. Baidu down on the day, AMD down on the day. Visa earnings today, I believe, or tomorrow maybe. Yeah, tomorrow. So I don't know if I want to do that. Target's still looking good, up 1% on the day already, so can't touch that. Disney's is coming down. Let's see, AMAT, whoops, AMAT, flat, not a lot of volume. Dollar Tree 103.64. Alright. I kind of like Roblox the best. I really did like the premiums here. I think there's a play to be made. Kind of want to take the day trade though. For the week maybe? So. Where's the volume at? 800,000. Not too much volume on the day. Let's see. What did we see here last time? That's a lot of lines. That is a lot of lines. Alright. So let's overlap the volume. Alright, top of the channel. We wanted to get this breakout here. Earnings coming up. In what, 2 weeks? No, yeah, next week. So pretty much 2 weeks. See how this plays out. It's down the day. Do like that. Let's just see what happens here. Essentially, we were looking for this. So we got the leg up the previous day, and now we're getting profit taken. So we'll have to watch this to see how this plays out. I'm just gonna put on the 15-minute. See how we play out here. Change this to on overlapping. There we go. And we'll just watch that do its work. Spy 454 calls. Don't look too shabby. Maybe we'll just play Spy. Some days we just have to sit and see what's going on first. Seems like that kind of day. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hold down the fort. We already saw what the watch list is like. I'm going to put Roblox there, Spy over here. gonna put this on the 5-day, 15 minutes. See where we're at. So yeah, Roblox might below $82 come back down to 78. So watch that. And I will be right back. Alright, baby, back at it again with the white. Whoop! Just kidding. No white vans here, baby. Oh, ATVI, baby. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Oh, Snap is on the come up. Do 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 do. See what we got going on today. Snap coming back to life a little bit. I kind of want to double down. And I think I might do it. I don't think Snap is gonna go crazy, but I think we might double down. So we put $100. Let's do 10 more contracts at $100 on the Snap. Oh, whoa. We don't have any shares, bro. What are you talking about? So we got this week 70 calls, right? We got 5 of those. Dang, Snap's gonna need like a crazy move, isn't it? Alright, let's get another 100 on those. Alright, so I picked up another couple Snap calls here. I got 10 more for 10 cents. Now we have about $200 into it. We averaged down, not a recommendation, not financial advice, just seeing if these calls kind of get some traction to the upside here. If we can get some rotation and premium spike, it could be well worth it, so do as you can. The Facebook 400 leaps coming back to life, up 35% now from original entry, so maybe Facebook goes crazy. Oh, Roblox, baby. I wanted to get the Roblox 90s. I might have to day trade it. But I don't think they had historical pricing. I don't think was that great here. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not bad. But we'll see. I think Roblox has a weird price action, so I don't know how I really feel about it, but we'll see. Like, can this actually... So if we leg up, we should be able to get to 90, 80, 90s. About a 5-cent spread here. Oh, no. Alright, let's look at Roblox real quick. Roblox. The Roblox. So Roblox is still down on the day. Maybe we can get a leap on it? Like a November 19th swing? Shit, it's kind of far. Let's see November 5th. Maybe we just day trade it. I'm gonna get two of the 86 calls on Roblox for $1.05 or $1.04. I can get billed there. Might day trade this. Cool, so I took that. So these are current positions here. So we got the Roblox moving a little bit. Up 3%. Roblox from the watch list, baby. Roblox. Roblox. Oh, Roblox wants the sauce. Get 84. Yeah, we can go right to 87s if we break above this previous high here. See how it plays out. Sounds crazy for Snapchat, but we're trading around 55 bucks. You know, 13% move. I mean, sounds like a lot, but even price action here, it doesn't even look like anything crazy. I mean, if you get above 56, I think it's just that volatility shock. It's kind of messing up the chart, but do 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 do. Oh, Spy hasn't even broken out, so Qs are probably Spy's green. Q's lagging or what? Qs haven't even broken out yet, so we good. We Gucci. That Roblox is starting to move a little bit. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying. So here's like a cool like thing I want to explain here. So see how this is like 5, where is it? Like right here it says minus 4.76%. So these contracts are still not even at break even. The break even price is about 126. And then above that, so right here is 126-ish. I can get there. So that's break even. So now you can say on the week these contracts are up 200% because you know they came from down here at 22 cents. But look where it is in the month, right? So if we break this 142s, historically you could just run it back above that 142. You have potential even to $2, if not more. So I mean, this is where we're at on the totem pole here, right? 146, 129. So above that, you know, you're looking at like 350 plus, maybe even possible $7 move if it goes crazy. But we're just day trading. This is just supposed to be a day trade. Already up 20%. Not too bad. Not too bad. So all we're looking here is Roblox to break above 84.78. 79's fine. Do, 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 do. So Roblox. Yeah, Roblox can actually go crazy though. Like we get above this right here. What is that? 8418s. We get above 8420s, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Could do a whole nother leg up. There's a whole nother thing. The only thing I don't like about Roblox is the premiums get like really choppy sometimes. Like the price action, I should say. But we'll give it time to work. Yeah, so you see, like, we just went from being up, what, 24%? Alright, I guess we're still cruising, but we're up 20-something plus percent to now being only 18%, so, whoops, you see? Premiums get kind of crazy on Roblox. Those snap calls coming back to life. Yeah, see, dude, Snap. I honestly feel like Snap is just like a hidden gem. Oh, come on, ATVI. Come on, baby. You're almost at 100%. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Dawn, what are you doing? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Snapchat trying to go crazy. The Snap Diddly. We're just looking for a break of 56.37, baby. Okay, Roblox. Pop off. 25% on Roblox. Hopefully more coming. Actually, I'm going to put everything in the 5-minute. Give y'all some good visualization here. Be positive, respectful. Positive and respectful to the charts. To the charts. Dude, if those Snap premiums go positive, it's a wrap. Oh. Come on, Robo. Oh, what? Roblox announces proposed $1.0 billion offering of senior notes. Take it easy, bro. Do 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 do. What a beautiful day. So, I guess we'll do a little recap right now. So, all this can change right now. This is all temporary because we don't know what's going to happen with these positions. But we're currently up 10% on the day, so that's not too shabby. We were up a lot more because of the pre-market push with Mark. But in reality, we're actually around like we're probably around $1,600-ish, $1,615, because that was all that pre-morning fall off from the Mark position. So, and you can see the account was at 1% positive, so we were probably around like 1,600. Currently up 10%, so not too bad. Not too bad. If we could hold these levels here, that'd be ideal. So Roblox looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Market's kind of looking still like it's trying to break out, but haven't gotten the right momentum. So we're just chilling. Oh, Roblox. Roblox, no. See what's going on here. We're at the top of the VWAP, so that could be interesting there. Yeah, so we could come back or we could just keep pushing. Oh, here comes the market pop there. See how Q's needs to break out too. This all looks a little sketchy. I think Tesla's pretty much pulled the market a lot higher, yeah. So Tesla could probably retake this 970. We'll see what happens there. We'll see what happens there. How we doing, baby? How we doing today? Where we at? Alright, still chilling on the baby port. Oh, the Snapchat coming down a little bit. Looks like Roblox is about to gas out. At least on the 5 minute. We'll see. Activision is just like at the top there. We get above 81, we should just rip like the other day where we just kept going on a slow and steady climb. Hashtag push the button really hard to work doing this. I'm sure. The market has everyone going crazy. We call hot money. Oh, Roblox, no. Let's see what we got going on, baby. Do 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 do. Da da bum bum bum. All right, baby. So the Roblox looks like it's pulling back a little bit. See where we're at on it. Up about 14%. So I'm still waiting on Roblox. I think we just opened it up today. I think as long as we could sit on this floor here above 83.30, even better if we could sit above this previous close actually on Friday, 83.90s or 84 bucks, we should be able to get this rotation up here. So still gonna hold, still have a lot of time, and still have a momentum push above to 84.78, if not 85 bucks. So let's give it some juice. Sit and let it wait. Alright, let's take a look at what we got. So everything's kind of sitting, looks like everything's kind of sitting in suspense. Here comes the market. Market's dropping a little bit here. It's about almost a point in a minute if it keeps coming down.
Snap's still looking good in my opinion.
ATVI has relatively low volume, under 100,000, so that could be a steady climb until we get some volume, closer to earnings. No big deal though. Do 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 do. How we feeling, baby? I think we're doing pretty decent for today. Not a bad day. Slow Monday, but that's alright. We got earnings later, baby. We got Facebook earnings. Should be a good one. Should be a good one. Makes you kind of wonder if we sold our Facebook position. We had like 10 contracts of this thing a little too early or not. Actually, it actually did well the way we sold because
the premiums did get clapped a little bit.
take a look at the Tesla boy. I feel like Tesla's hitting. You see, I said it earlier today. Tesla's gonna hit 1,000 off this. They're just gonna ramp this thing up. Not touching that with the 10-foot pole. And this is all pre-earnings, I think, right? Yeah. This is no earnings happened already. They did well on earnings. That's right. But Tesla has done this before. It does like here, right? It's not gonna show you a weekly. Yeah, Tesla does this thing. It just like gaps up after earnings like crazy, and then it consolidates. So. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've been here for about an hour. You got a couple more hours to go, baby. We thank you for being here. Thank you for joining the live stream. Enjoy the chat. Chat up with each other. Currently, positions we are in this. Roblox, Snap, ATBI, and Facebook. We'll be sitting here tightly, watching the market kind of react, see what's going on. Roblox looks like it's setting up for a possible move out. Hopefully the market permits it too, so we'll see what happens there. But everything's looking kind of good. Not too bad right now. Well, so far today, on today's overall opinion, we're slightly bullish, so not too shabby. We're watching Roblox for a break below 83.84. So hopefully it stays above 84 bucks, but anything can happen in this market. We've seen it happen before, so be cautious. Watching the Snap, we have we loaded up on the Snap also, so hopefully you can get some momentum out of that. And I will be right back. Do 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 do. No problem, no problem. A lot of Friday and Snap, I know. They're kind of rough, but we'll get a winner, don't worry. We still got ATVI. The Roblox is looking pretty decent. It's already up, so we can take profit whenever, but I'm aiming for 100. 100. The Snap, like I said, it's a riskier play, so you got to be cautious here. Keep a very tight stop loss in this. Let's go Roblox, baby. Roblox, baby. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? 50%, baby. 50%, baby. Running up the small account. Let's go. Let's get it. Alright, be right back. All right, baby. We got Roblox here bumping 57%. I'm not going to get too greedy on this one. We're already up 50%. I'm going to take a little bit off here. I'm about to take... Ooh, I got to be careful with my day trades. So hold on. We're up 50%. Contracts are only up 24-ish%. I might let this ride a little bit. Oh, there's a massive pullback there.
After
All right, folks, we're back. So Roblox is at 40%. So Roblox actually hit 168. It was around 67%. A little tied up there, so I couldn't get out of it. But hopefully some of y'all were able to secure profit. I think Roblox might come back down into this like $84 range. It did make a new high. So we're just gonna. It is getting a momentum push though, secondary wave. So we'll see how this plays out. Hopefully it opens up higher and pushes. That's what I'm looking for. Do 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 do. Watch the snap. The snap is coming down. We might have to cut that one. I'm trying to yellow dolo it and just kind of pull a lotto here because I think snap still has some really crazy room. Do 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 do. So hopefully we get another leg on Roblox back to 185 plus. We're still early. We're almost there. $2.50 away. ATVI kind of cruising up a little bit. Alrighty, watch Roblox. We're looking for support right here on this 84.15 level-ish. This is what we're currently at. Roblox are 148. Previous high was 168. Looks like we're kinking back up, so hopefully we can get that. Accounts up almost 12, 13%, 15% almost. So, see if we can just keep running up the bag here. I'll be right back. I love you. I know I just went, but I gotta run to the bathroom, so hold on tight. Aw, bro, what? Roblox. What the hell? Dang, son. Dude, Roblox just clapped me. Just came back to being up only 15% after being up almost 100. That's crazy. Alright, well, we're gonna have to give it more time. Hopefully we can get a bounce on it or something. Looks like it's rolling over on the MACD, but we'll see how this all plays out. Dude, paper cuts are the worst. Dang, Roblox. That's disappointing. I was literally just about to come back and then just alert like we should just cash out. Yikes. That's all good. We'll get him. We'll get him again. We'll get him again. Could be some pullback into this. So this is trading. Yeah, this could be interesting. Support is literally right there. So if we break through, we could double tap and then bounce, or we could just crack through and hit 835s. So we'll see how this all plays out. Because we didn't flip the coin, guys. We should have flipped the coin. The coin knows all. Dang, back to 84. Roblox only up 0.02%. That's pretty crazy, actually. Think about it. Oh, from Friday's close, yeah.
Roblox doesn't look like it wants it.
So Roblox needs to get up with momentum here. We are making higher lows, which I do like, so. Yeah, so we're breaking below 84. This was our channel of interest to stay in. The fact that we broke through it could get kind of splicey here, so just watch this. 83.90s. I mean, ultimately we got to stay above 83.88. Below that, this can get clipped. But we did see this happen before, where we dropped and then had a instantaneous pop. So hopefully we could pop again. And maybe get even an exit. The premiums are kind of shifty, so I think I said that before though. So essentially this is what we would need, is like a pop into there, a little bit higher of an all-time high, and then go. I don't know if we're gonna get that though today. Roblox is now negative on the day. Uh-oh. Ha-ha. So the 1 minute, see this is rolling over, continuing down. We also do have really low volume, so nothing too crazy. I think we should be able to curl throughout the day. Let's see. Anyone need a winner? Winner, chicken dinner. See, Roblox tried to get some push here again. Snap has just been like straight consolidated here. I'm hoping today's like the last day of consolidation before push up. And then Roblox is just like squeezing. It hasn't even really chose a direction yet. So maybe we'll see support at 83.52 and then bounce on the Roblox. On the Roblox. Alright, well while we're waiting on Snap and Roblox, let's check out Mark, see where it's at now. So Mark will look like it found support around 3.9. So this is kind of like your range here. Anything between 3.9 4.73 is a good buy zone, and then try to break above if it gets that momentum push to the upside. Probably won't get back into this, even though it is squeezing. It can set up for another potential move back to retest those 9.9s, but I don't know. Not really feeling it. Let's see. ATVI is getting a little bit of a move here on the 5 minute. I'm going to put this on the 15. So ATVI is slowly creeping. Volume is slightly increased. Morning drive was 385k in volume, so we'll see how that works out. Still low volume on ATV on Roblox, so nothing too crazy here. I'm just going to move Roblox down here. Put that on the 15. And I guess I'll put, I want to see Tesla real quick. Tesla, yeah. Not touching that. Snap. I'm getting a little bit rotation pop there, so just chilling here. I'll be right back, baby.
We can be better friends, and for the enemy is not our end. You will see, we will be together. Come to the point, I apologize. You know how I feel, alright. Say what you want me to do. Again, I'm sorry, I've not been true. That's not fair, I'm still shining bright. But for once, I think you're right. Do you remember the time you're alone? I was the one to call your phone. So you see, I'm a better friend. On your flaws, I will mend. We will be together, together. Come to the point, I apologize. You know how I feel, alright. Say what
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually back to practically negative, actually. Barely holding up on Roblox. So, just been a busy morning on my end. Where we at? So the snap calls are down 50% almost. I average down. Probably not the best idea, but really trying to see if I can get some momentum here. I'm kind of hoping that Facebook earning goes crazy and it can kind of recoup social media, but we'll see what happens there. The Roblox ended up selling off $2 and change a little bit. So trying to see if we get another momentum bounce here. I don't know if we're going to get it, so we might have to end up cutting Roblox below this 8350 level. Trying to see if the MACD will roll to the upside here and kind of get this VWAP bounce. That'd be ideal case. So, snapping my stop loss. You think it can go still? If it's stop loss, try to move on to the next play. I didn't hit it. I didn't set a stop loss on it because I feel comfortable risking $200. Everyone's different, so just be cautious. If you have a small account, I wouldn't necessarily risk it on this play. This is kind of like a very slim chance play kind of thing. So, and I actually discussed that last week on it. So here's Roblox trying to get some movement. What was I gonna say? So yeah, so for those who are in Snap, if you're already down or you're at stop loss, try not to get back into it. Right, you don't want to enter back into a play that's already down or losing. You could sit and watch and wait to see if you can make a move on it. Facebook, I was just looking at, has a interesting pattern here. So potential flag pattern here. If you can get the movement up, it looks like bulls are pushing this away from that 322.50 level. So you might be able to see 326, and then if it breaks 326, you might even get a gap to 330. So that could be an interesting day trade. I don't know what the contracts look like. So 330, yeah, contracts are already kind of juiced up, especially because earnings are later today. So just be kind of cautious with that. You can watch Baba here. Baba looks like a nice day trade for puts here below 174.50. Kind of approaching that now. So if this butters down, you could probably see this same exact candle size here. So it's about a 5-point drop down here. So you can probably even see like 172 or lower on Baba. I wanted to look at Boeing. Yeah, Boeing's still sitting flat. So most of the market's not really moving too much here. I think everything's kind of just waiting on Facebook earnings, trying to find current direction of where the market's going to go. Facebook, you know, it's a mega stock, so it'll kind of tell us more or less where we're headed. ATVI has been doing pretty well. I mean, it's up about 50%. Haven't thought about trimming anything yet, so I just really want to get that to about 100% before we make the trim. ATVI on the weekly still looks good, even if it starts moving slowly. It looks like we're kind of at this top here. So let's see, top here was $80.92 on that last week candle, and then we had a high of 81.13. So I mean, we're up 2% on the day, so it's not too bad. Relatively low volume on the week, so I think as we get closer to earnings, this could really get that run, and that's what we're kind of just sitting and waiting for, just being patient. You know, we're about a week or two out, I think. Yeah, so end of this week. Probably by Wednesday, Thursday-ish, we might get some pretty bullish run-up on ATVI in anticipation for the earnings. But a lot of people probably haven't seen it on earnings whisper calendar or anything like that yet, so we'll see. Kind of bummed about Roblox. Roblox was a great day trade. Just kind of let it go. Forgot we were day trading it, really. Sometimes it's a lot easier to just be in and out.
Can't help myself. I still think Roblox has life in it. Really do. And we're still waiting on Snap. Snappy Chatty. Dude, Snap wants to pop so bad, baby. Once we clear 5650s, it should be a straight liftoff. I feel like it's a gem. A gem in disguise. Whoa. Amazon thoughts and SRLP getting killed after cutting dividend. Yeah. If a company cuts dividend, it's usually smacked. Let's check out the Amazonians getting, yeah. So Amazon right here, let's look at the 3 year by week. Oh, Amazon's running into earnings. Earnings are in 2 days? 3 days? So Amazon earnings are on Thursday. That's a big name. So what we're going to do here is kind of just watch to see what happens with Facebook. That's the game plan. And then we'll see how Amazon can react, right? Amazon previously has ran into these lower levels, consolidated and popped. Overall, Amazon has always done pretty well. It's going to just depend on their guidance and their revenue. If they miss revenue, it could hurt them. Earnings per share, they usually smack, so I'm not really too concerned about that. Let's see. The last earnings, they actually got clipped. So we'll see what happens. What I think Amazon could probably get hurt in this earnings if they have supply chain restrictions, right? Like, and if they have manufacturing restrictions, getting any goods in from China, etc. If they had any shutdowns with the manufacturers, any production delays in their business. So it should be kind of interesting. They actually kind of clipped in the last 2 earnings. What physical quarter is this? So the last 3 years of the quarter, they've just been growing. I could see Amazon just going nuclear. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you've been here with us since the morning, welcome again. Thank you for being here. We've been here for quite some time now. It's been about 2.5 hours. Sitting is a new smoking, so please get up and give a nice stretch. Fix that nerd neck, shoulders back and round, chest up to the sun, baby. Or to the ceiling, because you're probably in the room. I'm gonna get some more coffee. Roblox finally found a bounce there. Let's see if we can kind of get out of this momentum downside squeeze and rotate the upside. I really do like I love Amazon, I'll be honest. I think it's a great company. I think their earnings could go absolutely nuclear. I would be surprised if they kind of dumped the bet on earnings, but I think the best way to play is to kind of get some monthly. I bet you these are kind of, yeah, so these 4,000 calls, right, for next month are down bad. Yeah, open interest is slowly decreasing, so we'll see what happens with Amazon. If we can get these Amazon premiums dirt cheap and it's not like less risk to us, then that'd be the best way to do it, I feel like. Alright. I'll be right back. Hopefully this time I come back, Roblox is like, you know, I don't know, 185 plus. Alright, be right back. Love you guys. Let's see what the algo says. Oh, it says strong downtrend on the daily. Huh? Oh, neutral? Telling us to get long here. Alright, Roblox is like break even right now. So, get your stop losses ready. I actually might just, I think Roblox we might just have to pull out. I'm not really liking the price action. Volume is now dead compared to before. ATVI still doing well though. Trying to give Roblox some credit here, but it's just not working out. Trying to get this bounce here, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. Alright. Do 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 do. We gotta start setting some portfolios to the frickin' moon here. It's time to get on it. Alright, I'm gonna fall back on Roblox. So I sold my Roblox at 1.02 for a 1% loss. I'm gonna regret the Roblox, I know it. Alright, so we're out of the Roblox completely. Yeah. do 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 do. Let's put Facebook. I need the Facebook to go crazy so I can pull out. Still up 7% on the day. What's hurting us a little bit is the snap came down after the average down, so we're down $100 there. Otherwise, we'd be around 1,800 in profit. Not in profit, in total portfolio. Sorry. see, Facebook. I just feel like the Facebook, what's crazy about it, let's remove the channel, let's remove this here. Alright, so this is what I feel like on Facebook. Right? Same down move into the earnings, down move into the earnings. Then what happens? You get an indication of a pop and then it goes crazy after earnings. So Facebook has been at this kind of angle where even here I just feel like it's, let's see the weekly chart. It's signaling a down move. I just feel like Facebook is kind of like too good to die right now. It's been a straight sell for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Sorry, not too good to die. I mean, like the fact that it actually could probably die. This is a textbook pattern right here. Just kind of nervous about the day trade on this. Push the button. Push the button. So let's see if we break out there. Dang it. Could get 331s. See what the contracts are crazy up though, right? 330. Yeah, they're friggin' $7 a piece. You got me messed up, boy. I'm good. Don't need that. Don't need that negativity in our life. I still think Amazon for earnings is like the move. Alright, I'll be right back. Now that we're not in Roblox. I feel watch Roblox go crazy. Let's see. We should have shorted. On the flip side. Let's check AMD in the watch list. AMD looks good right here. We're looking for the break above 122s, but these premiums are probably up a little bit. So could get shorted there. That's what we're looking for. Earnings coming up on 10/26, so alright, baby. We are live. Flip the coin. I know. Do we long AMD on earnings? Heads, yes. Tails, fall back. Fall back. I think it's getting prepped. We'll see what happens. I forgot what happened the last earnings that went off. I think they did well during earnings, but I think they had like a... They made an announcement of something crazy. So we'll see. Alright, baby.
was a wide, wide heaven beyond everything we knew. Where there was no cornfield, no memory, no grave. Come with me. No grave. No memory. No memory.
All right, baby. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. How we doing, baby? Dude, ATVI's been actually, oh, Tesla 980s. Let's see. So we had Roblox, that watch list. Oh, ATVI, baby. It's running the bag up right now. We need another play, though. We can't just keep banking on ATVI. See the Airbnb bizzle. Airbnb. Airbnb. Dude, Airbnb has been straight squeezing. I feel like Airbnb might go crazy for earnings too. Damn, I haven't touched Spotify in a minute. Do, 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 do.